Ladies and gentlemen, pioneers around the world, welcome back once again to Pi News World, your trusted home for the latest Pi network updates, crypto developments, digital payment innovations, and the future of decentralized finance. Today, we are discussing one of the biggest questions in the entire Pi community right now. When will Pi network finally become a real payment system that people can use in everyday life? Over the past few years, Pi Network has grown from a simple mobile mining project into a massive global community with millions of users. In the beginning, many people doubted the project completely, but the community kept growing stronger. Developers started building applications, businesses began testing Pi payments, and conversations about utility became louder than ever before. Now, in 2026, the discussion is changing. People are no longer only talking about mining Pi. Instead, they are asking whether Pi could eventually become a true digital currency for payments, online shopping, services, and business transactions around the world. One important thing that makes Pi different from many cryptocurrencies is its focus on accessibility and mass adoption. Pi allowed ordinary people to join crypto directly from their smartphones without expensive mining equipment. But the real goal was never just mining coins. The bigger vision has always been about utility and real-world use. This is where the idea of Pi Bank comes into the conversation. Officially, Pi Network has not announced a traditional bank, but many community members use the phrase to describe a future ecosystem where Pi supports financial activity like sending money globally, paying merchants, shopping online, and using decentralized applications powered by blockchain technology. Supporters believe this could become very powerful because millions of people around the world still face financial barriers. International transfers can be expensive, some people do not have access to banks, and many users deal with high transaction fees. A mobile-powered digital payment ecosystem could potentially change that. However, building a real payment ecosystem is not easy. Many crypto projects failed because creating technology is only one part of the challenge. The hardest part is convincing real people and businesses to use it daily. That requires trust, security, stability, infrastructure, and strong user experience. One interesting development right now is merchant adoption. Across different countries, small businesses and sellers have reportedly started experimenting with Pi transactions for products and services. While most of this activity is still small scale, it shows that Pi payments are already beginning to appear inside the community. This matters because adoption usually starts from the grassroots level before moving toward larger businesses and mainstream acceptance. Imagine a future where restaurants, online shops, transportation services, freelancers, and digital creators all accept Pi payments directly from mobile phones. That is the vision many pioneers believe Pi Network is trying to build. And whether or not it fully succeeds, the ambition itself is attracting global attention. Another major factor that could shape Pi's future is ecosystem development. Pi Network has consistently emphasized applications and developer participation because a payment system becomes stronger when people actually have places to spend the currency. Imagine Pi being used for online shopping, freelance work, gaming, subscriptions, food delivery, transportation, and digital services. The more utility expands, the stronger the ecosystem could become over time. KYC verification is also a critical part of the strategy. While some users became frustrated with delays, verified human participation may help build trust inside the network. Businesses are much more likely to join a payment ecosystem if they believe the users are real people rather than bots or fake accounts. Still, there are major challenges ahead. Competition in crypto is extremely intense, regulations remain uncertain in many countries, and Pi must continue improving scalability, security, and infrastructure if it wants long-term success. But one thing that continues to separate Pi Network from many other projects is the size and dedication of its community. Millions of users continue discussing Pi every day across social media, online forums, and local events. Community support itself can become a powerful force for adoption. So, when will people actually use Pi for mainstream payments? The truth is, nobody knows the exact timeline. However, the foundation for future utility appears to be slowly developing. Developers are building, businesses are watching, and the world is becoming more comfortable with digital payments every year. Imagine a future where someone buys coffee with Pi, pays for transportation through a Pi-powered app, sends money internationally within seconds, and receives online payments directly into a Pi wallet. Whether or not this exact future happens, it explains why so many people remain excited about the project. At the same time, the community must remain patient and realistic. Building a global financial ecosystem takes years. Even the biggest technology companies required long periods of growth before reaching mainstream adoption. As we move deeper into 2026, the world is watching Pi Network very closely. Some people remain skeptical, while others remain extremely optimistic. But one thing is undeniable. Pi Network has already built one of the largest communities in crypto history, and now people want to see whether that community can evolve into a real digital economy with actual utility and real-world adoption. Before ending today's video, let me know your opinion in the comments section. Do you believe Pi Network can eventually become a global payment system? Would you personally accept Pi for products or services? And how do you imagine the future of Pi payments over the next few years? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to Pi News World, like the video, and turn on notifications for more Pi Network updates, crypto discussions, and future predictions. Thank you once again for watching. Stay informed, stay patient, keep building, and continue believing in the future of innovation and digital finance. Until next time, pioneers, this is Pi News World signing out.